go. Your truck is the way to ruin your day. Please.
Oh, that's so bad. Alright, here we go. Mystic Timbers.
Oh, I love that on my neck.
This is a slow chain lift. Gosh. Oh, that's why. Makes sense now. Alright, here we go. You ready?
Yes.
Oh, I love how this one does this.
There we go.
Hands up!
The whole friggin' train left the track.
Yeah, that was pretty fun.
You ready for the thing that everybody makes fun of? The shed?
Oh yeah.
The whole... Yeah, everybody thought there'd be a drop track or an inversion or something, and then it's this. So disappointing.
You think they could have done something in here?
Seriously, they had enough room. Just get ready to see this really...
It's fast. Fast, bumpy.
Hope it ain't this cold tomorrow.
It's gonna be colder. Possibly, anyways.
I'm gonna wear my regular pants.
Okay. I have a feeling this is a result of a block section issue. Us sitting here for this long.
That's alright. I need a nap anyway. I need breakfast. I need something to eat.
Here we go. Take a look at that screen. Did they break the screen?
Yeah. Point it out.
They broke the screen.
What's your ride?
Woo!
Sounds pretty great.
All right.
You guys connected off to the rest side of the station to go check out Windseeker.
Okay. That was a pretty good ride.